Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the best website that you can use to remove the background from images. Right, it's a website that I've been using since I started my design career actually. So let's not talking too much, let's just go right into it. So the name of the website is called Photo Room. So Photo Room is already in my search because I've been using it. Alright, so let's just click on it and we'll hop into the website. All right, so this is the website pretty much, and it does more than remove backgrounds. You can actually use it to do a bunch of things. All right, but I majorly use it for removing backgrounds. All right, so what we are going to do is we're going to go in straight to the remove background page. So let's go back. If you look down here, you're going to see background remover. So that's what I use it for. Let's click on that. All right, so this is their background remover page. So all you have to do is either you drop an image from your folder or you just click on start from a photo. All right, so they also have an app. Actually, they have an app on the Play Store, so you can also check that out in case you don't use your PC or maybe you just want to explore with the app or see. So just check Play Store and you'll see the app. Photo Room, that's the name. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly demonstrate by removing the backgrounds of some images. Alright, so let me find something that needs its background removed. uh Let me go to my stock images. Alright, so there's a bunch of things that need background removed. Okay, so let's start with this hair, this girl with this hair. So I'm just going to drag it in here, so you can see how crazy her hair is. But it's actually going to remove the background properly. Let me show you her image properly so you actually see what I'm saying. All right, so look at her image. You can see it's always a nightmare to remove background of images like this, but you're going to see what is going to happen. Can you see that it has perfectly removed the background? And all we have to do is click on download, click on standard resolution, and just like that it's downloaded in our device. So if I come here to downloads, look at this, I have it downloaded. The background has been effortlessly removed in a matter of seconds. Alright, so we can actually try one more just to drive home the point. Okay, we can try one more. Let's try something that is not a human. Let's try an object. Let's try an object. What object should we use? Okay, let's use this fire. Let's use this fire, and in a matter of seconds, look at that, it has removed the background. Just click on download and it is downloaded. If we go back to our downloads, can you look at that? Look at that, the background has been removed effortlessly. All right, so this is the website that I use. Is a cheat code. All right, so do well to go there and just experiment. I'm going to drop the link, of course, in the description box. All right, so have fun removing your background easily. All right, if you learned something new, if it is the first time you're hearing about this, just kindly let me know in the description box. Smash that like button if you like this content. Also do well to share this video to your friends that don't know how to remove backgrounds like this, and of course subscribe because I'll be dropping more amazing content like this. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice one.